Hello everybody. This is the demonstration of Murata wireless sensor network product. And in this demonstration we showcase the different possibilities that Murata wireless sensor can achieve by using a combination of different sensors and connecting to a gateway and sending it to your cloud. For the first demonstration on this side we have a simple thermocouple which enables the measurement of high temperature and extreme low temperature in the manufacturing environment. Simply just extending the measurement by the wires into the heating system. We can get the temperature recorded wirelessly and then transmitting the readings to a gateway and to the cloud. Next up is the temperature and humidity sensor unit that we produce, and this is a cater for a simple but an important use case for a factory environment, especially for the environment compliance purpose. So simply this device can measure the temperature and humidity in an environment, not only at one point, but probably at different points, and you can generate a different heat map in your factory system. And we have another sensor unit which is focusing on the analog conversion. And think about this is an example of an airflow sensor, and this is commonly used in many manufacturing systems to monitor the process compliance and fault detection. So what Murata sensor unit does is simply just extending the analog output to the sensor unit and wirelessly transmits this signal and data to the gateway and to your cloud. Think about removing the manual entry and input and human errors. Think about documenting all your data from existing retrofit sensors that you are using at your facility. So Murata analog conversion unit can really achieve that capability. So we have next is the current sensor unit. This current sensor unit measures of course the current consumption domains. Think about the application related to your machines, and think about the possibility of abnormal machines current consumption that may affect your operation or your total efficiency of your factory. Simply we have the current clamps, and then the same concept can be applied by just sending the data wirelessly via the gateway to your system. So with Murata total solution, we can provide a very comprehensive package to solve your factory's problems and your needs for tomorrow and future. Thank you very much.